Hello friends, today we will solve Geeks Bar Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is number of diagonals. So now open this question. So given a number n, task is find the number of diagonals in n sided of convex polygon. So now see first example. So the first example, n equals to 5. So the number of diagonal is 5. Now see second example. So n equals to 6. So number of diagonals is 9. So now here we use simple formula for finding the number of diagonals. So we can write directly return statement n multiplied by n minus 3 divided by 2. So here return type is long, so for here we will should to convert in long data type because the number of convex side is integer. So before returning this statement we will require to convert in long. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. All the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.